Hello guys, Moon Nostalgia back here again. I know it's been a while, but only yesterday I received my first packages on the new place that I am at the moment. And this is what I received actually, and this is the Hobbit Battle of the Five Armies, the 3D version. It's basically the edition has 4 discs. Two of them are for the 3D, one for the standard 2D version, and one for the special features. And I got this for 10 bucks, and as you can see, brand new and sealed. So this is how the front looks like. It looks very cool. This is the spine, nothing special. On the back we have a few scenes from the movie itself. Here are listed some of the special features. And now let's do the unboxing together and see basically what we have. Alright. Cannot wait to see the movie on 3D. I have seen it only once in the theaters back in 2014. Alright. Alright. We're ready. We're opening it up. Alright. So we have the 3D version part 1, the 3D version part 2, the standard 2D version, and the disc with the special features. Like I said, 4-disc edition. Alright, so here it is. The Hobbit, Battle of the Five Armies on 3D. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.